If you've been uploading your videos straight to public, that might be why your channel isn't growing as fast as it should. It's such a tiny mistake, but it can seriously affect your views and growth. So in this video, I'll walk you through the smarter way to upload step by step, so YouTube actually gives your videos that push they deserve. Now, the mistake most beginners make: you finish editing, you're excited, you hit upload, pick a thumbnail, and then go straight to public. Now, that's the default habit most beginners have, uploading directly to public the moment their video finish rendering. The issue with this is, YouTube starts tracking data immediately. If your title and thumbnail or description aren't perfect, that weak first impression can kill your CTR and watch time. And those are the exact metrics YouTube uses to push your content. So instead of hitting public right away, here's what you should do. But before we jump into how to upload it the right way, let's actually talk about the visibility option first, because this part confuses a lot of people. Now, when you upload a video, you will see 4 visibility options: private, unlisted, public, and schedule. The first one is private. This means only you can watch it. It's great if you want to check quality, captions, or edit before anyone else can see it. The second one is unlisted. This one perfect for feedback. You can share the link with friends, mentor, or get opinions and spot mistakes. The third one is public. This makes your video instantly live, but that's risky. The moment you go public, YouTube starts collecting data on how viewers react. If your thumbnail isn't ready or your description isn't optimized, those bad signals can really hurt your reach. Alright, now that you know the main visibility options, let's talk about the one that actually make the biggest difference, which is scheduling. So what does scheduling actually means? It simply means you upload your video now, but it go live at a future date and time you choose. It's not instantly public, it's planned, and that's the key. Now, when you hit schedule instead of public, you're giving YouTube time to actually process your video, analyze your title, thumbnail, and description, and get it ready for the right audience. That little delay lets the system breathe before it actually throw your video out into the world. It also gives YouTube time to figure out who might be interested in your video. So when it finally goes live, it's shown to the right people from the start. But when you go public right away, YouTube has to do all of that after your video's already live. And that can really hurt your first push. So here's what I usually do. Once my upload done, I schedule it for the next day. That gives YouTube time to process it properly, match it with the right audience, and give me actually time to fix the small stuff like subtitles, screens, and description without the stress of being live. Now here's the smart part. Head over your analytics tab, click audience, and then check when your viewers are on YouTube. You will find it under that section where it says when your viewers are on YouTube. If you see not enough data, that's totally fine. Just keep posting constantly, and that report will show up later. When you schedule your upload for the peak time, your video launches when your audience is actually online, meaning more instant click, more watch time, and more stronger first 24 hours. So yeah, scheduling isn't just about convenience, it's a small move that gives your video a real shot at taking off. Now here's the cleanest and stress-free way to upload your videos, the same way I use all the time. First, I always upload my video as unlisted, so it's live on YouTube but only I can access it. Then I watch it on different devices, my phone, my laptop, because trust me, you will always spot tiny mistakes you didn't notice during editing. Once everything looks good, I fix the small details, end screen, cards, all that. Then I let it sit for 24 hours before scheduling. Now that little gap not only gives you time to come back with fresh eyes, it's also give YouTube time to fully process your video and get it ready for the right audience. And once everything's set, I switch to schedule at my best posting time, and that's it. It's a clean and it's a professional, and it saves you time at the last minute panic or bad first impression. So to recap, stop uploading direct as public, upload it as unlisted, review it, then schedule it for your audience best time. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how YouTube reads and recommends your videos. But if structuring your video is something really bothering you, I have put together a free script template that's gonna make your process a lot easier. Please grab below. And if you like this video, then you're gonna love my next playlist where I talk about how you can grow your channel. You can watch it in here. Please drop a like in this video. It helps a lot of people to find it. I really appreciate that. Subscribe if you haven't done already, and I will see you soon. Take it easy. Bye bye.